What's up guys, it's me G Maggie. So here the Sony A6400. This I bought it over the Canon RP. Maybe this is not the good camera, maybe this is not the perfect camera, but this is the camera which get the job done. So I bought it in silver color. Let's do the unboxing and then I'm gonna review this camera. Here we go. Okay, here are all of the manual which you get. Okay, let's see what you get in the box. You get a battery, which let me take out. Okay, here's the battery. You get the ice cup. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. You get a cable, you get a strap, you get again a charger. Okay, you got AC adapter, you get a you get like 3 type of charger. You see my 3 type of cable, which I really love it, and you get a micro USB. I am loving it. Also, you can directly charge this camera. Okay, here is the camera. I bought it for $1,000 US. I bought it silver color. Silver color is the rare color. Personally, I love this silver color. Right now, I'm recording this video on Xiaomi Mi Mix 30. Okay, here we go. Because in the shop he tried to set the language for me. I've written this is the official version. This is not any kind of like the grey import. This is the Hong Kong official version with the Sony international warranty. Because I don't like buying Sony product without the warranty because sometimes they overheat. Okay, and then here the SD card. Also, the good thing is that it have a SD card. I'm a huge Sony fan, but right now I'm recording with the Sony microphone plus with a Sony recorder. Sony, okay, Sony. I'm loving a Sony. Okay, here we go, Sony. Sony is just falling down. I mean, my tripod is falling down because it's quite flimsy. Okay, how to install this one? Something like this. Okay, that's awesome. Take out the lens cap. This thing is small. I mean, this thing is small because I carry with the Panasonic G7 with me with the 40mm lens. But okay, let me take out this one. Okay, yeah, I was just putting my camera back on the floor, so that's why. Okay, let me put inside because I love to carry a camera with me. This is the camera which I can take selfie with some beautiful ladies. I mean, beautiful air hostess, because I bought this camera for my main channel, Around Me on Map. I'm gonna travel around the world. Awesome. I can put this one on my belt. Okay, that's quite good. Okay, let me take out, and I wanna see this size. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this size is a Panasonic G7. Okay, let me show you this sensor. As you can see, the sensor is APS is quite big. I mean, yeah. Okay, here we go with the Panasonic G7. I mean, APS sensor is a big. That's why the image quality is always better on the APS. This is physics. Okay, and to line it. Okay, personally I love silver color. This look metallic in real life. Okay, I mean, the good thing is that like this, I've been using the Sony DSLR A550, and then I use a lot of the Sony compact camera WX500 around the world. I mean, I can take my picture like this. As you can see, that's me. The good thing is that I can easily, I don't need to use any kind of recorder. I can directly plug in the microphone here. Wow. So I mean, this is the silver color. Okay, I mean, first if you are buy, you need to make sure about the hinge. Okay. Okay, started recording. Let me stop because you need to make sure you're closing right. As you can see, first you need to let me turn this off. Okay. As you can see, first you need to take like this. Okay, and then pull outside, and then this thing to come up. Can you see? Okay, and then here we go. Here we go. So yeah, this is the silver color. Now let me go out and capture some images. This is recording on the Sony A6400. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Recording with the Sony A6400 with the kit lens 16 to 40 millimeter. Right now I'm holding how is the OIS with the kit lens. Yeah, you need to be the judge. And how is the rolling shutter? To me seems quite good. It's not that bad. I have the silver version of A6400. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, I mean you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Recording on the Sony A6400 30 frame per second. So right now just hand holding and trying to walk slowly. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. The video recording on the Sony A6400. You need to be the judge how good is the autofocus and how good I am looking. Yeah, Sony A6400 currently I'm hand holding and then walking. You need to be the judge how good is the autofocus and then how good I am looking while I'm walking. Yeah, A6400 currently, as you can see. How good is the audio quality and video quality? Sony A6400. This is the 4K 24 frame per second Sony A6400 video quality. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I am looking. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. So the cameraman can show you. This is the video quality of the Sony A6400. Currently I'm hand holding the Sony A6400 and then I'm trying to walk. You need to be the judge how good is the stabilizer, the 16 to 50 millimeter lens with the OIS, because the Sony A6400 do not have any kind of IBIS or built-in stabilizer. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of it. So I'm just hand holding as I can, just trying to walk, and then how good I'm looking. To me I'm looking quite good, but you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer of the Sony A6400. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again recording with the Sony A6400 with the kit lens 30 frame per second, 4K in 30 frame per second. There is a crop, so this is the crop like I think 1.2 something like that. So you need to judge how good is the video quality and how good is my face. Yeah, currently I'm just walking back home because I come to exchange my lens, and how good is the video quality. Yeah, this is I'm hand holding the camera and trying to walk smoothly. You need to judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, as you can see. So this I'm slowly just planning. You need to judge.